10 brilliant ways to use Pine Sol around the home. When you hear Pine Sol, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Probably mopping floors, right? Well, buckle up, because this classic cleaner does way more than that. And I guarantee there are a few tricks you're not using, but absolutely should be. Pine Sol has been around since 1929, originally made with real pine oil. And while today's formula has evolved, it still packs a punch with powerful ingredients that cut through grease, grime, and bacteria like magic. This one bottle can literally replace half the cleaning products in your home. Seriously, from kitchen messes to laundry hacks, even keeping bugs away, Pine Sol is a secret weapon most people are totally underusing. So stick around, because I'm about to show you some of the best ways to make the most of every drop. Number 1. Disinfect kitchen and bathroom surfaces. Let's start with two of the germiest places in your home, the kitchen and the bathroom. Between cooking spills, food bacteria, and everyday grime, these areas need regular disinfecting. Thankfully, Pine Sol makes it ridiculously easy. Just mix 1/8 cup with 1 gallon of water, dip a sponge or cloth into it, and wipe down countertops, sinks, and even toilet seats. If you're dealing with extra stubborn messes, you can apply it full strength, scrub a little, and rinse with water. For a quick spritz solution, pour the diluted mixture into a spray bottle and keep it handy for wiping down surfaces on the go. It's way more effective than most store-bought disinfectant wipes, and you'll save some cash too. Number 2. Deodorize drains and garbage disposals. If you've ever caught a whiff of something questionable coming from your kitchen sink, it's probably time to freshen up those drains. Pour 1/4 cup of Pine Sol down the drain. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then flush it with hot water. For garbage disposals, do the same thing. Just make sure to run the disposal while rinsing. This cuts grease buildup and eliminates any trapped food odors. Number 3. Boost laundry and remove tough odors. Now here's a Pine Sol hack that not enough people know about: using it in your laundry. Pine Sol is fantastic for getting rid of stubborn odors, especially on things like gym clothes, towels, and even work uniforms that tend to hold on to sweat and bacteria. You can rub it undiluted onto grease stains or extra dirty areas before tossing them in the wash. Or if you're looking to freshen up your entire load, add 1/2 cup of Pine Sol to your wash cycle, along with your detergent. Quick warning, Pine Sol should only be used on white or color-fast fabrics. If you're unsure, test a small spot first. Number 4. Clean baseboards and walls. Ever looked at your baseboards and walls and realized they've got that slightly grimy, dusty look? Don't worry, it happens to all of us. But Pine Sol makes it super easy to clean them without messing up your paint. Just mix 1/4 cup with 1 gallon of warm water, dip in a sponge or cloth, and wipe down your walls and baseboards. It'll cut through dirt, dust, and even smoke odors that may be lingering in your home. Number 5. Clean windowsills and tracks. Windowsills and tracks tend to collect a surprising amount of dirt and dust. And if you live in a humid area, they can even develop mold. Yikes. No worries though. Just grab an old toothbrush, dip it in a diluted Pine Sol solution, and scrub away the gunk. Wipe clean and you're good to go. Number 6. Revive artificial plants and silk flowers. Got some dusty fake plants that have lost their shine? Instead of just wiping them down, give them a deep clean with Pine Sol. For small plants, fill a sink or bucket with warm water. Add a splash of Pine Sol, about 1/4 cup per gallon, and let them soak for a few minutes. Then rinse them under cool water and let them air dry. For larger plants or delicate silk flowers, dip a cloth in a diluted Pine Sol mix and gently wipe down each leaf and petal. A soft toothbrush works great for getting into those tricky spots. This quick trick removes built-up dust, freshens, and makes your fake plants look brand new again. Number 7. Keep outdoor spaces fresh. Your patio furniture and deck take a beating from the elements, and over time, they collect grime, mildew, and dirt. A quick scrub with Pine Sol can bring them back to life. Mix a quarter cup with 2 gallons of water. Use a scrub brush and rinse clean. Just don't use it on unsealed or waxed wood, as it might strip the finish. For outdoor fabrics, simply scrub with a brush, rinse, and let dry. No more musty smells! Number 8. Bug repellent. Did you know that ants, flies, and roaches hate Pine Sol? Yup. The strong pine scent naturally repels them. All you gotta do is mix equal parts Pine Sol and water, pour it into a spray bottle, and spritz around entryways and windows. It'll keep bugs from wanting to come inside. Way cheaper and safer than chemical bug sprays. Number 9. Refresh your car's interior. Want your car to smell clean and fresh? Pine Sol works wonders for dashboards, cup holders, and door panels. Mix a little with some warm water, wipe down surfaces with a cloth, and dry with a towel. It's great for tackling coffee spills, snack crumbs, and whatever gunk you've got lurking around. A quick heads up, avoid using Pine Sol on leather seats or your car's exterior, as it can damage the finish. Stick to plastic and vinyl surfaces. Number 10. Clean concrete garage floors. Your garage floor takes a beating, from oil spills and tire marks, to dirt, dust, and mystery stains. Over time, all that buildup can make your garage look grimy and smell even worse. But don't worry, Pine Sol can handle it. To tackle oil stains and odors, mix 1/8 cup with a gallon of warm water. Grab a stiff bristle brush and scrub the area thoroughly. For stubborn grease spots, you can even apply full-strength Pine Sol. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub and rinse with water. Not only does this cut through tough grime, but it also neutralizes odors. Do this regularly, and your concrete floors will stay clean, stain-free, and looking like new. Final thoughts and safety tips. No doubt, Pine Sol is an absolute cleaning powerhouse, but here are a few safety tips to keep in mind. Never mix it with bleach or other cleaners, as it can create toxic fumes. Avoid using it on aluminum, copper, or marble surfaces, because it can cause damage. And don't use it on dishes, carpets, or as pet shampoo. Other than that, you're all set. Whether you're disinfecting surfaces, fighting odors, or even repelling bugs, Pine Sol is one of the most versatile cleaning products out there. So what's your favorite way to use it? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.